Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are celebrating the holiday of love, Valentine's Day. And I'm going to share with you how to make some beautiful Valentines. Are you ready? Let's make a Valentine. Valentine's Day is the perfect time of year to let everyone you know how much you love them. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Mwah!